Simple wind power generator design made from recycled parts. Who would have thought that 3 old fan blades could be reused in such a clever way? First, a power drill is used to make holes in the blades. Then they are firmly fixed onto a car wheel using bolts so they become one solid piece. After that, the unnecessary rod in the middle is removed. At the same time, a square metal pipe is used to build a rectangular frame, which is drilled to mount a working electric motor. A brushless angle grinder head is also prepared and a small iron plate is welded to the drill tip. Next, the motor is positioned vertically to check that the rotation is smooth and balanced. Additional side brackets are welded to strengthen the structure. This is still part of the initial construction stage, where rolling bearings are inserted into both ends of the metal pipe along with a strong threaded rod, and a flat iron plate is welded to secure the base. Then a triangular support base is formed to ensure the device stands firmly without moving. After everything is assembled, the structure is painted with bright red paint to give it a cleaner and more attractive look. In the final step, a long pipe and a plastic board shaped like a fishtail are attached to act as a tail vane that helps the device face the wind direction. Finally, the young man takes the device outside to an open area. As soon as the wind starts blowing, the blades begin to spin, turning the motor into a small power generator, capable of lighting a light bulb easily. It's a simple but brilliant idea that shows how old parts can be transformed into a wind-powered electricity generator.